Look at that nugget. Today I have two self-collected rocks, both from the same hole on the side of a hill outside Cobalt, Ontario, at an old abandoned silver mine. And what I want to do is put a slice in one of them, find something with character, and make my daughter a pendant. So what do you think? I'm thinking that one. That one's got the piece in it. But if not, then this one. Yeah? Let's do it. Okay, so this is just a regular tile saw. Nothing special, 7-inch blade, diamond blade. And here's the first rock. And there's the first slice. Well, I'll be honest, that's a bit disappointing. There's something in there, but not as much as I had hoped. Let's open it up again. Okay, that's looking better. Put that to one side to make this somewhat thin. There we go. Okay, there's my slice. It's looking dendritic. How would you like to have that dangling from your neck? Eh? Rock number 2. Let's keep going. So in this one, see what I see? My daughter's name is Amy. And that looks like a really funky A. So my next step, and I'm just winging it, is to trim some of the black off the side. And I'll take off a little bit of the top of the A. I do have to be careful. I have to be really careful here that I don't break the rock. Okay, so there's my very quick results, and before I spend much more time on it, I guess I should give Amy the hint that I'm doing something for her, and she can tell me if she wants me to proceed. Project cancelled on account of rain. Nah, we'll keep going. So at this stage, what we need is progressively finer grades of sandpaper. So the sandpaper will get rid of any scratches, it'll smooth the rock, and when you get to the higher grades of sandpaper, in other words, the very fine stuff, it actually polishes. The more grades you have, the easier the job actually is. I like automotive sandpaper, the wet, dry stuff. So let's get to it. 100 grit.
180 grit.
Lightly, lightly, lightly.
220. 400. Then I move to 1,000.
Just removing all the minute scratches and making my fingers black.
Then I move to 1,500. 2,000. 3,000. 5,000.
And lastly, 7,000. And the pièce de résistance. White diamond polishing compound on a soft little fluffy thing. Polish that rock. And here we go, hand polished. Talk to Amy, she likes the A. And this one, is looking at it, that kind of looks like Australia. There's the other sides. The B side. Well, I went to the jewelry store and got this. You can also get them online. These are sterling caps. Not very expensive. But I think that's going to do the job. So now what I want to do is fit this as best I can around my piece. It's pliable. And just with my hands I can push it down. Okay, I think that's pretty good. Now I'll just tweak it a bit. Some needle nose pliers. Look at that. I think we're good to go. Ta-da! Glue. I'm sure I'm gonna get some of my fingers a little bit. Ooh, I did. And a nice sterling chain. So there's the necklace that my daughter's going to get. Lovely piece of jewelry, that, with a nice clasp on it. Silver. So, Amy got an A. What did you get? What did the rockhound get? Oh! Jewelry!